Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to clean disk space in Windows 11 in 2026. So if your PC is running slow, storage is full, or you're getting low disk warnings, this guide will help you free up space safely step by step. First, open Settings, go to System, then click Storage. This is where Windows shows exactly what is using your disk space. Next, turn on Storage Sense. So this feature automatically deletes temporary files and clears junk to free up space. Now click on Temporary Files and select what you want to remove. I mean things like cache files, update files, and recycle bin items can take up a lot of space. So remove apps you don't use anymore. Old software and games can take gigabytes of storage without you realizing it. Next, check your Downloads folder and sort files by size. Delete large files you no longer need, or move them to external storage. Finally, empty your recycle bin to permanently free up space on your PC. And that's how to clean disk space in Windows 11 in 2026. Once you remove junk files, uninstall unused apps, and enable Storage Sense, your PC will run faster and smoother. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Windows optimization tutorials.